Hello everyone and welcome to the video lecture. Today we are going to solve the numerical for low pass averaging filter. Here one image is given. So this image is having total 4 columns and 4 rows. So 4 by 4 image is given and we have to filter the given image by using the low pass averaging filter. So this is our low pass averaging filtering mask. Okay, the value of W1, W2, W3, W4 up to W9, these coefficients are having value 1 by 9 in case of low pass averaging filter. So what we have to do, we have to move our mask over the image like this. We have to multiply W1 with this particular pixel plus W2 with this pixel plus W3 with this pixel, W4 with this pixel, W5 with this pixel, W6 with this pixel, like that up to W9 into this pixel value. Okay, so this is the procedure for doing the low pass averaging filtering. But if we do like this, the resultant value we have to place at the center, means at this pixel value 2 will be get replaced. So after doing this, we have to move the mask to the right by 1 position like this. Then we have to do the procedure and we have to replace this pixel value 5. After that, we have to shift this mask to downward by 1 position, and then the same procedure we have to replace this pixel value, then shift this and we'll replace this pixel value. Okay, but if we see, only these 4 pixels are going to affect after doing this low pass averaging filter, but these border pixels will remain unchanged. And due to that, what happens, there are 2 ways by which we can work on these border pixels. Okay, so to work on border pixels, there are 2 methods. One is called as zero pad the image, and second is pixel replication. So first I will show you zero pad the image. Zero padding of image means what? We have to add 1 row of 0 at the start, 1 row of 0 at the end, and 1 row of column of 0 at the start and column of 0 at the end to this image. So our image is this. After 0 padding, the same image will become 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 2 0 0 4 2 5 1 0 0 1 2 6 3 0 0 2 4 6 7 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the zero padded image. It is called as zero padded image. And in case of pixel replication, simply we have to replicate this pixel to its outside direction. Okay, so I'll show you here. I'll use the smaller array so that the space can be adjusted. So it is 1 2 3 2 4 2 5 1 1 2 6 3 2 4 6 7. This is our original image. So in case of pixel replication, what we can do, we can replicate the first row as it is here. So 1 2 3 2, then last row as it is here 2 4 6 7, and first column and last column as it is we have to replicate. So it will become 1 1 4 1 2 2 2 2 1 3 7 7. So this is our image after pixel replication, and we have to work on this zero padded image and on this pixel replicated image while doing this filtering or low pass averaging filtering. Now we'll see how we can do the zero padding image. We have seen zero padding image. Now we'll see how we can process this zero padding image. So when we put our mask here, you can observe the very first pixel, that is pixel 1 from the image, can be filtered with the help of this zero padding method. Now what we'll do, we'll put our mask here and then we'll multiply. So first of all we'll find out the average value for this pixel value 1. So here I'll write down the average value for pixel 1 is, that value will be equals to, now W1 will coincide with 0, W2 with 0, W3 with 0, W4 with 0, then W7 it will also coincide with 0. Only W5, W6, W8 and W9 are having some value, other are 0. So it will be 1 by 9 into, now I'll write down here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2, and we'll find out the average value for this. And if you see, the average value will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 divided by 9 means the average value for pixel 1 will be 1. After doing this, we'll shift our mask to right by 1 position and we'll find out the average value for pixel 2 is, will be 1 by 9 into, now you can see it is 0 0 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, here W7 means 4, W8 into 2 and W9 into 5, so it is 4 to 9, sorry 4 to 5, not 9, plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, and then we can calculate and we'll get it nearly equal to 5, 6, 7, 17 by 9, so it is near about 1.89. So 1.8 will round it to up and we'll put it as 2, because pixel values cannot be represented in terms of point. Okay, so we'll round up to 2. Likewise, after doing this, we have to shift our mask to next position and then we have to do the average value. So average value for pixel 3 is, now I'll do this 1 by 9 into 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. So it will be nearly equals to 1.6, which will be 2. After this we have to shift to left and again we have to do the same. So 1.22 means we'll round down and we'll get 1. So this will be the average filtered value for this pixel 2. After this we have to shift mask to downward by 1 position and then we have to follow the same procedure till the end of the image. I'll show you the calculation now. this is the average value for pixel 4. This one is the average value for pixel 2, means this pixel. This is 3 is the average value for pixel 5. So these are the average values for the remaining pixels from the given image. After this, what we have to do? We have to replace all the calculated values in the original image and we have to show the resultant image. So this is the result in case of low pass averaging filter for the given image. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see the similar example for pixel replication in our next session.